Hello students. In this video we will discuss about intellectual property rights and plagiarism. What do you mean by intellectual property rights? Intellectual property rights are the rights given to persons over the creation of their mind. They usually give the creator an exclusive right over the use of his or her creation for a certain period of time. Intellectual property rights are divided into two main areas. Copyright, the right of authors of literary and artistic works, such as books and other writings, musical compositions, paintings, sculptures, computer programs, and films, are protected by copyright for a minimum period of 50 years after the death of the author. The main social purpose of protection of copyright and related right is to encourage and reward creative works. Industrial property. Industrial property, which includes inventions, patents, trademarks, industrial design, commercial names, designations, and geographic indications, location specific brand, etc. The four main types of intellectual property. Patents, used to protect inventive ideas or processes, things that are new, useful, and non obvious. Patents are what most often comes to mind when thinking of IP protection. Patents are also used to protect newly engineered plant species or strain as well. Trademark. A trademark is unlike a patent in that it protects word, phrases, symbols, sound, smells, and color schemes. Trademarks are often considered assets that describe or otherwise identify the source of underlying products or services that a company provides, such as Intel Inside logo and so on. Copyright. Copyrights do not protect ideas, but rather the manner in which ideas are expressed. Original works of authorship, written works, art, music, architectural drawing, or even programming codes for software. Trade secret. Trade secrets are proprietary procedures, systems, device, formulas, strategies, or other information that is confidential and exclusive to the company using them. They act as competitive advantages for the business. Plagiarism. Plagiarism is copying someone else's work and then passing it off as one's own. Copying programs written by other programmers and claiming them as your own could be an act of plagiarism. It involves lying, cheating, theft, and dishonesty. Accidental or unintentional and deliberate or intentional plagiarism. Plagiarism can be classified as accidental or unintentional and deliberate or intentional plagiarism. Intentional plagiarism. Intentional plagiarism includes copying someone else's work, cutting and pasting block of text and any kind of media including audio, video files and movie clips from electronic sources without documenting and at the same time publishing it on the web without the permission of developers or creators. Unintentional or accidental plagiarism. Unintentional or accidental plagiarism involves careless paraphrasing, changing the words or sentence construction of a copied document, quoting text excessively along with poor documentation. How to avoid plagiarism? Present your own idea. Instead of parroting the source's idea or words, explore what you have to say about it. Ask yourself what unique perspectives or points you can contribute in your writing that's entirely your own. Cite your source. When alluding to an idea or wording that's not your own, add a citation in your writing that identifies the full name of the source, the date it was published, and any other citation elements that's required by the style guide you are adhering to. Include quotations. If you insert a source's words into your writing, one of the most simple yet obvious way to avoid plagiarism is to by using quotation marks around the text to denote that the words are not your own. A direct quote should also cite the words so that readers know who the quote is from. Paraphrase. Paraphrasing is rewriting a source's idea or information into your own words without changing its meaning. Remember, you are still using another's idea or you will need to include a citation to the source. Use a plagiarism checker. This tool lets you know whether or not part of your writing is plagiarized, and some even highlight the specific words or sentences of concerns and identify where the text originated from. Thank you for watching this video.